Hey guys, it's me Rahul, and today in this video I will show you guys how to clear activity history on Windows. So what you want to do is just go to your start menu, then right click on the start menu icon, then open settings, or what you can do is just click on start menu, then type in settings. Either way it's fine. So then on the right pane just click on privacy and security. Then what you want to do is there is an option called activity history. Just click on that, and here you have all the options. Here if you don't want to store any activity history on your PC, then you can uncheck this, or if you just want to clear it from time to time, just go down here and you can see clear activity history. Just click on clear and it will bring a pop-up, and then you will click on OK. Then wait for a couple of seconds and you will see the tick mark right here. So it's pretty simple. Hope you guys liked it.